Google I/O 2024, several significant AI tools and updates were announced. Here are some highlights. 1. Gemini models. 2. Generative AI tools. 3. AI in workspace and search. 4. Notebookl. 5. Developer tools. Google's Project Astra unveiled that Google I/O 2024 is a next-generation AI assistant that aims to be a universal AI agent for everyday tasks. Powered by Google's Gemini AI models, Astra is designed to process multimodal information, which means it can handle inputs from various sources, such as voice, video, text, and images simultaneously. This allows it to understand context, remember past interactions, and respond naturally in conversations. Astra can work in real time and has been demonstrated on both smartphones and prototype smart glasses. In these demos, users interacted with Astra by pointing the device's camera at objects or locations and asking for information. For instance, Astra could identify a neighborhood in London or recognize objects and explain their functions, showcasing its ability to integrate visual and contextual data seamlessly. Google plans to gradually integrate some of Astra's capabilities into its existing products, like the Gemini app, later this year. However, the full implementation of Astra, potentially including dedicated hardware, is expected to take longer, possibly not until 2025. The project reflects Google's vision of creating an AI assistant that can proactively assist users with a wide range of tasks, from identifying objects and solving problems to providing detailed information and advice in various scenarios. Google DeepMind, TechRadar, MIT Technology Review.
Google announced 14 new AI products the day after OpenAI announced 4. And this is the only video you need to watch to catch up. One thing that really took me by surprise was Project Astra. Tell me when you see something that makes sound. I see a speaker, which makes AI overview and search, which is something that I've been testing, and I personally love it. Gemini 1.5 Pro, which can now take 2 million tokens. So for those who don't know, 2 million token means that the model can take up to 3,000 pages of text. And by now, you probably have all seen the demo of OpenAI launch, specifically GPT-400 stands for Omni. The audio interaction is very human-like, and it's hard to tell if it's a human or a robot, which is scary but very exciting. Would you pay for any of these AI products to try? If so, which one?
About now.
The contour lines are smooth and flowing, with no sharp angles or jagged edges. It looks like a bird to me.
What if I add this?
The bird is swimming in the water. It has a long neck and beak. It is a duck.
Yeah.
Something that makes sound.
I see a speaker, which makes sound.
What is that part of the speaker called?
That is the tweeter. It produces high-frequency sounds.
Give me a creative alliteration about these.
Creative crayons color cheerfully. They certainly craft colorful creations.
What does that part of the code do?
This code defines encryption and decryption functions. It seems to use AES-CBC encryption to encode and decode data based on a key and an initialization vector, IV.
That's right. What neighborhood do you think I'm in?
This appears to be the King's Cross area of London. It is known for its railway station and transportation connections.
Do you remember where you saw my glasses?
Yes, I do. Your glasses were on the desk near a red apple.
All right, give me a band name for this duo.
Golden Stripes.
Nice. Thanks, Gemini.